Welcome gang to part 3, we are going to be comparing unit rates. Let's look at example 1. David tested 3 cameras last weekend. The table below shows the number of pictures taken and how much time it took. Here's the table, here's the time, here's the pictures. Write the number of pictures taken per second for each camera. Then determine which camera took pictures the fastest. So the unit rate was pictures per second. And they even repeat it here. Number of pictures per second. So that means pictures over seconds is our ratio that we need to reduce for our unit rate. So for pictures per second, we first need to write our ratio. So 54/9 was our first camera. That reduces to 6/1, which is just 6 pictures per second. So this is our first answer. So first we need to write our ratio. Two, we need to reduce. And that'll give us our unit rate. The second camera was 15/5, which equals 3/1, which equals 3. So our second camera took 3 pictures per second. And the third camera was 32/8. So we reduce that to 4/1, which is 4. So now we have to determine which camera took the picture the fastest. 6 pictures per second, 3 pictures per second, or 4 pictures per second. Well, 6 pictures in 1 second is the fastest because it can produce the most over the shortest span of time. Let's look at number 2. 3 friends drove radio-controlled cars around a track. The table below shows the number of laps completed by each person and the time it took. Find the unit rate, or write the number of laps completed per minute. So this unit rate is laps per minute. So our unit rate is going to equal laps over minutes. And here they repeat it over and over again. Latoya completed 48 laps in 8 minutes, which reduces to 6/1, which is just 6. So 6 laps per 1 minute. Let's redo that. 6 laps. There we go. Susan completed 18 laps in 6 minutes, which reduces to 3/1, which is just 3. And Donna completed 15 laps in 3 minutes, which reduces to 5/1, which is just 5. So the number of laps completed per minute. So who completed the most in the shortest span of time? Well, that would be Latoya. Alright, that's finding unit rate and comparing them. So please just remember to set up your ratio correctly. It's an equal sign. So write your ratio, then reduce it. And it always gives you the ratio in blank per blank. This is laps per minute, and this is pictures per second. Good luck.